What is going on, everyone? Welcome back to another video on the channel. Today we've got some more mods for the Corolla. We actually only have one, but it's whatever. So it's already in the trunk. That's not my car keys. Where'd I put them? This pocket. It's in this pocket. My bad. If we go and open up the trunk, there it is. Also, yes, I probably should fix this, but I'm just too lazy to put the clips back in for this carpet piece. Anyway, we're installing this piece today. I don't know if it has really an official name, but it's from a company called Ultra Racing. Basically, this is just like a rear strut bar, kind of. It bolts onto the rear strut bars and then also bolts onto the top bit there. Also, don't mind the duct tape. That's not important. The only problem with this bar is you have to cut the carpet, but it shouldn't be too much of a problem. Also, we have some hardware here that I've just been keeping in here for a little bit. So basically, what we got to do is actually bring the seat down. One of the things I don't like about this car is that the seat release is in the back, which I think is just really weird. But anyway, let's go ahead and bring this down. Alright, I have a seat cover. I need to bring the whole thing down at once. And then we can kind of peel back the carpet and then gain access to the bolt. We need to go ahead and take out the bolts, but since you can't see it, I won't record it. So I'll see when the bolts are removed. So the bolts have been removed, as you can see, there they are. We need to go ahead and cut a small little hole in the carpet on each side, so we can be able to slide this through that, and so we can bolt it in. So now we got these small little holes cut in. Let's test fit this and see if it really does fit. Now that they're mounted to the struts, at least just a little bit, then we can go ahead and bolt them to the top there, which should be relatively easy. So let's see. I've lost a washer. That's a difficult spot to get to. So after a little bit of work, I've had to put the spare tire and a brick in the trunk so I don't fall through, because under this is just plastic because it's a Corolla. The top bolts are bolted in. All that needs bolting in now are the bottom bolts. We're going to go ahead and do that. Get my shoes out of here, and actually we need to clean up the trunk as well, and I might try to stick these back on. Maybe not though. Maybe I'll just tuck these behind their little mounting points here. That's good enough. I need to get my shoes out of the car, as well as my tools and other junk. Now I'm going to pull the carpet. And I'll take this bottom piece out too. And I'll take the spare tire and brick out. I should be able to just wave this around and hopefully the dirt comes off. we go. This is the finished product. Pretty nice. So we are going to test, I'm going to kind of test drive the car and see if this really makes much of a difference. To be completely honest, I doubt it'll make a tremendous difference, but at the same time, who knows? I could be pleasantly surprised. This probably has made the rear of the car more rigid though, just because more things are now connected. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and start up the car. It's really slow, by the way, just letting you know. Although, pretty obvious, it's a Corolla. Oh yeah, and just to let you guys know, don't let the hair fool you, I'm not 12. So we're taking my favorite route, which is on the highway, which is not where this car shines at all, like at least accelerating wise. Actually riding on the highway though is quite nice in this car though, because you don't have to constantly accelerate. So, almost brilliant, but completely not. The thing is, in Wisconsin we don't have a lot of really curvy or roads that have a lot of turns in them, so the only place that I'll be able to really test out turning ability is just simply getting on the highway and then taking some local roads back. Now we're not driving very far, we're only driving about maybe 0.6 miles, something like that. Bump. Bump. You see a lot of those in the cheese state. Slight issue here, there is a red light, which means I can't pass through it. Which means that I can't test whether this car is a decent handling or not. Now it's green, no brakes, 30-mile-an-hour turn. What's really funny is that the car feels faster when you drive it. When your passenger probably is the most slow car you'll ever ride in. Now the thing is, there is a really nice turn here, which would be brilliant to go at relatively quickly. The only problem is there's traffic that comes from there. And although it's a yield sign, I don't have to stop. The issue is that if you don't see a car because you're going too fast, there could be a slight problem. Never a good idea to go too quickly in a place like that. This could be maybe a placebo effect or something of that sort. I'm not really sure what it's called. The rear of the car feels a bit more rigid around corners and stuff, but I'm not entirely sure how much of that is scientifically accurate. Bikers, get the f*** off the road. What the hell are you doing? There is no bike lane. Ride on the goddamn sidewalk. Anyway. They can't hear me and I can't hear them. Definitely these are some of the worst roads, I think, in all of America. Maybe North America. Now why would you do that? Pick up speed quickly. Bump. Ooh, it scrapes on there. I'll make sure to avoid this road. At least it only scrapes on the front, so the rear is fine. I think it's because I took a bunch of weight out, such as all of the things I was lugging around, plus the spare tire and all the tools and stuff I've removed from the trunk. What a nice, relaxing ride. Hey, it's voiceover me again, because guess who didn't film an outro? Haha, it's this guy. Thank you everyone so much for watching the video. If you did enjoy, go ahead, leave a like, comment below, and subscribe. We got more content coming out. Since it is summer now, I'm going to try and upload more often than just once a week. However, if it does have to stay at just once a week, just know that it'll stay like this. But if I'm able to upload more than once a week, I will definitely make a video updating you guys on this. Anyway, that's it for this video. Until next time, goodbye.